Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to make Instagram private, and now let's dive right in. Now to make your Instagram account private, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon. At the bottom right corner, tap on your profile picture icon, and over here guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icons. Tap on it. But before proceeding guys, if your account is a professional one, you will be required to turn that off, and after turning off you will be able to make your account private. So in order to proceed, from over here guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icon. Tap on that three lined icon of yours, and from this interface scroll down until you can find the account privacy where it says who can see your content. Tap on account privacy, and here is the toggle account for private account. Now in order to make your account private, Instagram account private, tap on the toggle account at the top right corner of the screen, and then your Instagram account will be made private. And then guys, this is how to make your Instagram account private. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.